Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a very urgent update about Sparkcoin. So as you can see in the previous video, I discussed that it could break out as there was buying happening, but it turns out that it rejected this trend line completely and it is going down. So it has gone down drastically. As you can see here, it's already 12% down, and I think, as I said in the previous video, this could be the buying point, but we have to look at the on-chain analysis and see if there is any buying going on. So as of now, if we look at the exchange addresses, and if you look here, this is a Coinbase, and as you can see here, there is a buying happening. So if we look here, this was around, I think, 5 days ago. And if we go to the KuCoin address, this is the KuCoin address. As you can see here, around 54 minutes ago, there was 300k SPA bought, and these are around 500k SPA being bought, and these are 500 as well. So if we look at their addresses, as you can see here, they have been actually buying. So this address has been just swapping the SPA coin, and as you can see here, it is currently holding around 18 million SPA, and they have been tossing them around. So I think they have been selling and buying and selling and buying. So these are the market movers which are probably dragging its price down. As you can see, they swapped 9 seconds ago, and the price is going down because of that. So the same is happening here for this one. So I think what they have been doing, so as you can see here, it holds around 1.4 million SPA coin. So I think some of them are buying from the so this one is buying from the KuCoin exchange and say swapping it on the 1 inch aggregator, but it's not that much as it has already got a lot of SPA being held, as you can see here. So, and you can also check that there are a lot of transactions, as you can see here. Most of them are for the 1 inch, and they have been swapping them here, as you can see. So I think the entry could be good around here. If not, we can also enter around at this point 86 to 85, but this breakout I think will happen sooner or later, because this is a trend line which it tried to break here and it failed, and it did the same here but it failed, and same here but it failed. So I think this trend line is pretty good, and this point, this demand zone could be filled. And if this one does not hold, if this one does not hold, I think it will try to come here, and we can enter there as well. So this is important because, as you can see here, there have been a lot of buying from the KuCoin exchange. So this was bought around 54 minutes ago, around 300k, 400k, 500k, so even 500k. So these are all have been on this day. So they have swapped from KuCoin to the aggregator for, I think, efficient fees, but they are selling it. So that is a point to keep in mind. So these are all different addresses, as you can see, but this one is same. So I think if we look at here and try to track this one down, and he has been selling, as you can see here, the big selling is happening. But if we look at the biggest transaction, so let's try to find out the biggest one. So it's not a biggest. So this guy has been selling without any doubt. So he is not using any sex, because those have high fees. So he has been using 1 inch aggregator. So he transferred recently around 19k. Yep, here we go. So this one holds around 32. So this one is also buying from KuCoin as well. So it is unclear what their purpose is, because they have been doing so many transactions. You can see here there are swap compact transfers. So it is unclear, but there is a lot of activity going on as of now. So I think if we look at the market and if we look at the volume, the max volume is on the Coinbase, after that the KuCoin. So Let's try to look at the Coinbase wallet. So this is a Coinbase wallet, and if we have Coinbase 1, yes, Coinbase 3 and Coinbase 1, so let's close those. So if we look here, and this one is a Coinbase, so there are sellers because this guy just deposited around 1.6 million SPA, so I think which is what led this price down. As you can see, that was 4 hours ago, and the price, this is a 4-hour chart, and the price did go down. So that was our first seller which actually sold the SPA coin. So if we look here, okay, so from the Coinbase one wallet there have been a good buying. As you can see here, 1 hour ago, this is a lot of buying. So this guy bought around 1.1 million SPA coin around 53 minutes ago. If we look here, so he is just holding them as of now. So I think they are a whale because this one holds around 1.1 million. As you can see, he is holding it. So he did sold around 8 days ago, as you can see here, but 8 days ago the price was, let's look at the price 8 days ago. So if we look at the price 8 days ago, 5 6 7 8, so the price was around here. So this was a low and this was a high. So I think he sold around 1.1 and he just bought around 0.99. So I think he is a scalper, and he will probably sell if the price goes up. So as you can see, after doing this analysis on chain analysis, I think we have a pretty good chance that the price will most likely bounce back from this point because of the buying activity which is happening. But it is a riskier entry, so you have to be careful. You can also enter here, that is also pretty good as well. And if not, I think we have a good entry point around 76 to 73, which is pretty good as well. If not, we can also enter around 73. But as if you look at the on-chain analysis, I think we have a chance that the price will most likely bounce back from here. So this was it. This was a quick discussion and quick on-chain analysis on Sperax and Sparcoin. I hope you like the video, and if I did something wrong or if you think that this is wrong, please feel free to comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.